Today there are about 4,000 companies on the US stock market, but most people only know about 30 of them. The usual suspects, Apple, Facebook, Netflix, Nvidia.
Well, what about the other 3,900 companies? We seldom, if ever, hear about them. Now here's why. The world is overflowing with information, but our attention spans are limited. Attention is the new currency, right? This is where SPAC sponsors come in. They help companies get noticed and rise above the noise by going on TV or tweeting, or just by being a well-known investor or businessman.
If you're the CEO of an electric car company, would you prefer to do a normal IPO or have Elon Musk as your SPAC sponsor? Chances are you'd choose the SPAC. But why though? Well, Elon is famous for being a good investor and businessman, and he understands the electric car industry well. So if Elon's SPAC invests in your company, others will also see it as a good bet. This is why many well-known investors have launched SPACs, because they already have a reputation, a track record, and they've got a network of other investors. You put together all this and make a SPAC happen.